We'll guide you through how to use WhatsApp Web on your computer. Whether it's a PC or laptop, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. WhatsApp Web is a really great way of being able to go and access WhatsApp on your computer. You're going to be able to go and send and receive messages on there. I find this really convenient, especially when I'm working. I can easily go and get back to clients and other people without having to go and pick up my phone. It's all going to be on my computer. I just find it way more convenient. I can quickly go and check them. We're going to guide you through this step by step on exactly how it can be done. Make sure you use full guide to know exactly what you need to do step by step. So we'll guide you through from setting it up to then going and using it. So any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So what we need to do is go and open up a web browser. So in this case, I'm going to go and use Chrome, but you can use another, it doesn't matter. Here we are. Now, what we're going to do is go and press on search, and we're going to go and type in WhatsApp Web, and go press search. Alternatively, you can type in the address bar web.whatsapp.com and get straight there. So here we are, it's now going to go and load. It's going to go and take you to its login page. It's going to go and generate a QR code. So now what we need to do is come onto our phone and go and scan it. I'm going to guide you through doing this on both an iPhone or an Android, do not worry. So if you're on an Android, what you need to do is go and head to the top right of the chats page, as I am. You need to go and find the three dots, which you go and tap on, go down, and you can then press link devices. Whereas on iPhone, you go to the bottom right and press settings, then you can go and press link devices, and on either of these, you can go and press link device. We can give permission and then scan the QR code. As you can see here, I'm now scanning it. Go and wait. Like that, it's now gone and opened up. So over to the left, you're going to be able to go and see your chats, and you can go and click on them, and it'll then go and open it up here. And at the bottom, you can go and type in your message here, and you can of course go and add different things and attach, send stickers and send voice notes as well. So that's it. If you go and press call in the top right, you'll need to go and get the Windows app for that, which we've got a guide on. Over to the left, you can access your status, the channels and communities. In the bottom left, you can go and press media, you can go and check out the settings and go and check your profile here as well. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon.